Evet arkadaşlar, şu an Danish Gardens denilen yerdeyiz. Daha önce de buraya gelmiştim ama bu sefer ESN denilen bir grupla, arkadaşlarla beraber geldik şöyle. Hayaletlerin olduğu. Şöyle bu bizim grubumuz. Arkadaşlar. Yeah. Because I YouTube channel. I'm chef.
Sorry.
Turkey. Evet arkadaşlar, şu an Times We Had denilen Estonya'nın en meşhur yerine geldik. Herkesin fotoğraf çektiği şöyle kalabalığı görebilirsiniz burada. Muhteşem bir manzarası var. Ben şöyle köşeye geçeyim. Şöyle Tane'nin manzarası. En güzel manzarayı burada görebilirsiniz. Times We Had yazısı şurada gördüğünüz gibi. Bekleyin. Biraz kalabalık ama göstermeye çalışacağım. Şöyle görebilirsiniz.
But you have to move your hips, right?
So, hey. Guys, are you ready?
Sure. Yeah. I've got the steering ready.
One. So, left. Yeah?
Yes. Okay, left first and then.
Yeah. Right.
Do I count?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck.
Ability. Just like left.
Left. Okay, ready? Okay, maybe we should just push it. Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Both, maybe. Go.
Go,
Left.
go, go, go. Right. Did we have it? Nice.
Left, guys. Left. Come on.
Hey, come on, guys.
Left.
All right, pick it up because the shafts are sliding.
Wait,
We
right.
try to push.
Do it right.
Okay.
Maybe we should go a little bit back. So yeah. Go.
Left.
Left. Right. Left. 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 Right. Just one big left. Okay. Yes. Left. Left. Right.
Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right.
Ow!
Go. Alright. No, just one.
Let's go.
Go.
Oh, no!
There you go. 13.
Oh my God.
13. 1, 2.
Oh no.
Yeah, you cannot hold it like this. You have to hold the pipe, like only one pipe. Okay, move, 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 one move. The last pipe. Where's the ball? Where is the ball?
It's here.
All right. Shake it down.
Yeah. Where I think
Shake, shake, shake. Shake. Yeah. Yeah.
my hands are free.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's cool.